Dear student, today we will study about the food chart. Okay, as you are aware that the food which we are eating gives us energy. So what are the benefit of the food which we are eating, which nutrient is present in that, what type of food we should eat for to get which nutrient, that we should aware of it. Okay, so for that for food chart I am giving you. Okay, so we can group the food item, that is called grouping of the food items. Okay, and this food chart, you can say this flow chart. Okay, and first we are grouping it as energy giving food. Those food which gives us energy to do work, okay, are called energy giving food. Similarly, those food which builds our body, like you are growing and height and okay, daily your body is growing, the growth of the person, okay, that is becoming physical growth because and mental growth because of the bodybuilding food which we are eating. And similarly, protective food which protect us from any diseases, we will not fall sick, any type of disease will not occur to us. So for that, protective foods. So what are the three groups of the food items? Energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. So what are the functions of this? Function means what are the benefit, okay, what they do for us is called function. Okay, function of energy giving food is that it gives us energy. Okay, so the function of energy giving food is to gives us energy to do work. Similarly, what is the function of bodybuilding food? Function of bodybuilding food is to build up our body and repair the worn out tissues, the tissues, cells, tissues, organ system we have studied in earlier chapter. So how can we repair if we are injured? So that will be built and our growth because of this bodybuilding food. So this the function of bodybuilding food is to build our body and protect and repair the worn out tissues. Similarly, what is the function of protective food? It protects us from the diseases. So function is, so like this you have to revise it, learn it. I will ask you anytime. So function of energy giving food is to give us energy to do work. Function of bodybuilding food is to build our body and repair the worn out tissues, and function of protective food is to protect us from the diseases. Okay, similarly, after the function, what are the nutrient content in this, that we can discuss about this. Okay, so similarly here nutrition, what nutrition we are getting from this group of the food items? From the energy giving food, which nutrition we get, or which food item contains such nutrient, so you should be aware of it. So nutrition, we are getting carbohydrate and fat, this gives us energy, so that's why they are called energy giving food. Okay, so the nutrition content in the energy giving food is carbohydrate and fat. Similarly, what is the nutrition we get from the bodybuilding food is proteins. Protein help in the growth of the body and repairs the worn out tissues. Similarly, what nutrition we are getting from the protective food? So that is vitamins and the minerals. Vitamin and mineral. So from which source we are getting all these? So this is the third one column I have written like this, sources. So first is the function of all the group of the food item, then nutrient, what nutrition value we are getting, like carbohydrate and fat from the first energy giving, protein from the bodybuilding food, and similarly vitamins and the minerals we are getting from the protective food which protect us from any diseases. So we must take lot of vitamins, this one, the fruits and the vegetables and all type of the food, and when the food you are eating since morning to night, it contains all the three nutrients, we call it balanced diet. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Okay, revise it. Now what are the sources from where you will get this carbohydrate, from where you will get fat, from which food you will get protein, from which food you will get vitamins and the minerals? So that is called sources. Okay, so sources of carbohydrate we can get from which sources? Okay, the bread, chapati that you are eating, and rice you are eating, potato you are eating, ice cream, chocolates. So these are sources of carbohydrate. So you can write here bread, rice, which contains starch, okay, and ice cream, potato. Similarly, other things also, etc. Like that. So these are the sources of carbohydrates. So what are the sources of the fat? Similarly, so oily things contains generally fat. So what are such oily things which contain oil? You are aware of it, like cheese, butter, ghee. Okay, sweet things. So you can write here cheese, butter, ghee. Okay, milk, sweet or sweets. So these contains oils and fats. Okay, which gives us energy. So these are called energy giving foods. Now fat we should avoid taking much because it may cause obese also. So we should be lean and thin, okay, to keep our body fit, and you should do regularly exercise to burn these foods, as we have studied about the earlier chapter, digestive system, okay, so that food can be digested when we burn the food by doing workout, right? Similarly, so all chapters are interrelated to each other, as you can see here. Now after this, the proteins, we are taking the protein for bodybuilding. And what are the sources of protein? It can be veg or non-veg also, right? So the ghee, these are coming in here in the fat. Now the eggs, you are taking, if you are non-vegetarian. If you are vegetarian, you can take soybean chunks are coming. You can see your parent are cooking, okay, so they are providing all the necessary nutrient for overall growth of yours, okay. They are giving food so that you are getting energy to do work, you are getting food to build our body, you are getting food to protect yourself from the diseases. Okay, so these are the sources. And fish, meat, milk, so I hope daily you are taking one glass of the milk at night with some turmeric in that, okay. Yeah. Now so these are the etc. Like these are proteins which gives us, which builds our body and repairs the worn out tissue. Now similarly the third one group of the food items, what is that? So the third group of the food item, that is protective foods, okay, which we are getting, which nutrient we are getting? Vitamins and the minerals. And fruits and the vegetables are rich source of vitamin and mineral. So you must take lot of fruits which is available, okay, in the shops, and vitamin C these days you are taking much intake to prevent yourself from any disease, right? So so vitamins here are A, B, C, D, K, like that. Various vitamin you will study later on, and what the deficiency when we are not getting these vitamins, what may cause to us and our body. So we must take sufficient amount. These vitamins and minerals should be taken in a small quantity to protect us from diseases. So vitamins include A, which fruit is a rich source of vitamin A, like papaya, and this you are eating a carrot is eating. Which animal is eating carrot? Rabbit? Okay, right. So carrot is rich source of vitamin A. Similarly, which fruit is rich in vitamin B? Beans are there, okay. And there we have B1, B2, B12, like that, which I sent you the chart yesterday, so you can recall it. And so various vitamins and beans you are getting. Similarly, vitamin C, all the scurvy things which are sour, like lemon is there, amla is there, orange, you are taking lot of things. Okay, citrus fruit, which we call, contains rich source of vitamin C. Similarly, vitamin D, you know that sunlight is the richest source of vitamin D. So everybody should give at least 5 minutes, 10 minutes sun bath. Early morning you should stand in the sunlight, like you are taking bath in the water, sun bath, to keep your bones strong. So by taking the vitamin D sufficient amount, you can keep your bone strong. So otherwise various deficiency diseases may cause. Now vitamin K, like which is rich source of the onion, like that they are eating, and various other foods. Now if vitamin A is not there sufficient amount, blindness, night blindness can be caused, and eye problem may cause. So we must take sufficient amount of vitamin A, which we call the deficiency diseases. Similarly, deficiency of vitamin B, very, and C, scurvy, okay, rickets, osteomalacia, like that, and D. And you will study about this later on, what will be effect of if we are not taking the sufficient amount of the vitamin. So that's why doctors are prescribing and giving you the note with which they are writing to take such medicine or tablet in which
we are getting these nutrients if we are not able to get from our food. That's why we will fall sick. So we must take sufficient amount of the food sorry, so that we are protecting our body from the diseases, we are building our body and getting energy. Is it? Okay, and the minerals like iron, calcium, okay, zinc, phosphorus, these are needed in the small amount. Okay, so calcium will be keeping your bones and strong like that. So we are getting banana is the other rich source of iron. So like that you must take sufficient amount of the fruit and the vegetables. I hope your parents are giving it to you and taking care of this and revise it. I will ask you about this food chart and what is the function of it, what is the nutrition value, what are the sources from where you are getting. Okay. Thank you very much.